We're here in Sunnyvale, California with PMB and Trubeck, and we just erected or topped out a rehabilitation facility to see them to be able to have a place that's going to be like this. It's going to be cutting edge and technology and revolutionary, and being able to get people back to a state where they can fill their role inside of their community. We take pride in being able to know we're building something that will make a difference.
Lifepoint and El Camino have been partners for a very long time, working in our Los Gatos campus for patients who need rehab services multiple hours a day, every day of the week. So we wanted to make sure that we had a facility that was closer to where patients needed it and make sure that we met community need.
I have a family member that had to go through a rehab hospital just about a year ago now. It's almost the anniversary, and them be able to get into a rehab facility just like this one, get recovered and get out and get back to their normal life is really invaluable.
There's a heck of a lot that goes into these projects. They're so incredibly complicated and you wonder how they ever come together, but here we are, and a year from now we'll be seeing patients, so it's very exciting.
Also thought we could be more efficient if we made it a 3-story building rather than a 4-story, bringing down some of the main elements that are usually at the ground level, such as the physical therapy courtyard and physical therapy gym. We wanted that to be on the first level. So it was a good combination of constraints and opportunities that brought that together and made this a more efficient building at the end of the day. It's a 52-bed rehabilitation hospital, state-of-the-art building that's going to bring a lot of great care for patients that are coming out of El Camino Health and having a place to go where they can rehabilitate. We have a long history with PMB, and one of the great things about working with them is that they make sure that we have a meeting together to talk about what are going to be the goals and visions for the project. It really brings us together as a team. It really sets it up for success.
I really do think about the power of partnerships on this project. When I think about El Camino Health, they started this project, but yet they're still continuing to help us through the entire process. And then I think about the other partnership we have with Trubeck Construction. I mean, they have been an absolute powerful partner. PMB is a healthcare developer, and we are a purpose-driven organization that really strives to meet the needs of the community through healthcare delivery. And as we lifted that beam in place, I just thought about every single hour, meeting, day of the week, and trying to coordinate steel, ground improvements, concrete. It was well coordinated so that they didn't need to make any adjustments on the field.
Knowing that our hard work, our effort, the success of this project would not be where we are without the partnership and collaboration with PMB and all of our partners. That's from the design team all the way into the field. We've really developed a core sense of trust and collaboration in the job that has enabled us to overcome hurdles together. And that is really what's contributed to the success here, not only for Trubeck, for the project at large.